By the end of this video, you will know how to receive AUD on Wise. Start by logging in to your Wise account. Once you are signed in, go to the Home tab. This is where you can view your balances and access the options for adding another currency if you do not already have one set up. From the Home tab, click Open or Add Currency. Wise will show you a list of available currencies. Select AUD from that list. This creates or opens your Australian dollar balance depending on what is already active in your account. Make sure you choose AUD specifically before moving on, since the account details for each currency are different. After that, open your AUD balance. Inside the balance view, look for account details and click it. This is where Wise provides the receiving information connected to your Australian dollar balance. If Wise prompts you to complete verification at this stage, follow the on-screen instructions and finish that process before continuing. The exact verification request may vary by account, but you will need to complete any required checks before your AUD receiving details become available. Once your account details are visible, copy the information shown for your AUD balance. This may include your BSB and account number if those details are available on your account. Be careful to copy the details from the AUD balance only, not from another currency balance, since sending money to the wrong currency details can delay the transfer. With those details copied, share them with the person or business that will be sending you money. You can paste the information into a message or provide it through whatever method you normally use to receive payment information. Only share the details that Wise shows for receiving AUD into your balance. After the sender initiates the transfer, wait for the AUD payment to arrive in your Wise balance. Processing time can vary depending on how the payment is sent and when it is submitted, so you may need to give it some time before the funds appear. You can check your AUD balance in Wise to confirm when the payment has arrived. If the payment does not appear right away, that usually means it is still being processed. At this point, the main part is already done. Your role is to make sure you use the correct AUD receiving details and share them accurately with the sender. Once the transfer completes, the amount will show in your AUD balance inside Wise. You can return to the Home tab at any time to view your balances and check whether the payment has been added. If needed, you can also reopen the AUD balance and look at the account details again to confirm what you shared. Your AUD receiving details are now set up and ready to receive money in your Wise balance.